All right, Cynthia. My name is Brandon and I'm from Sublime SEO Pro. And in this quick video, I'm going to give you guys 3 tips and tricks so that you can outrank your top competitor online. Because when you type in HVAC company in Denver, here's your front page of Google, okay? And I'm going to show you what Summit Heating Company is doing that's allowing them to get to this number 3 spot right here. So I don't want to focus on Angie's List and Yelp because those are directories and that's a different strategy. So I'm trying to give you guys some info that you can use actually yourself if you choose to. So I'm going to focus on these guys, okay? So before I get going here, I just want to let you know why I'm filming this in the first place because you're probably wondering. And it's simple. I realized a while ago that there are a lot of small business owners out there that are just so busy running their business and taking care of their clients, they just don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only reason why that's stopping them from going out and hiring somebody is they don't know who is truly an expert and who is not. So what I've started doing is just creating an attack plan to show small business owners and just giving them away for free. Some people take the information and run with it themselves. And others call me and say, hey, you know what, Brandon, I just don't have the time or the tools to do this myself. Can you do it for me? Whatever you decide to do is okay with me. I just want you guys to find some value in this and hopefully it can help you make some money. Okay. So I'm going to talk to you about 3 things today. Number 1 is content. Number 2, backlinks. And number 3, citations. So what Google mostly cares about when ranking a website is content. So content is king when it comes to this. So the average site on Google has 1,500 words on the front page, on the home page. So that would be a good starting point for you guys, is to get at least 1,500 words, if not 2,000 words on this front page. Okay, so I copied and pasted. You guys have 862 words. So I would go ahead and start there. But what is in the content matters even more than the number of words. So you want to place what we call buyer intent keywords throughout your website. So these are keywords that people commonly type into Google when they're searching for your service or product you can provide them. Okay. So I've pulled up a tool called Ahrefs. It's a paid tool, but you can find other tools out there that are free of charge, and it will tell us how many keywords you guys have in your website. Okay. So we're going to focus here. So you guys have about 302 keywords, and it's helping generate about this much traffic per month. Now, this number is oftentimes underreported, the traffic number, so just keep that in mind. It could be a much higher value than that. But we're going to compare this to your top competitor, one of your top competitors, Summit Heating and AC. They have 2,200 keywords, and it's allowing them to get up to this much traffic per month. So as you can see, it's quite a bit of a difference between the amount of content and keywords they have. And that is a big reason why they're getting more traffic to their website, because Google is allowing them to show up higher than you. Okay, so what you want to do is go to their keywords. If these keywords are good enough to rank them, they're good enough to rank you. But you see, a lot of these are just general words. HVAC Denver, that's not buyer intent. Summit Heating and Cooling, that's their company, obviously. How long does it take to install an AC unit? That's not going to help you at all. Okay, even though it has 350 search volume, this is not going to help you because anybody in the entire country could type this in, and it's not going to help you get business. AC on roof, same thing. That's not going to help you. So they have a lot of keywords in here that are not buyer intent. So just because they have 2,200 doesn't mean that they're being ranked for all of these. Okay, so what you want to do is go through these keywords and choose the ones that have buyer intent, add them to your website, and add even more than they have. And that is a good start for you guys to start ranking with better keywords. The next thing you want to do is, or the next thing I want to talk to you about, are what we call backlinks. So a backlink is when another website links back to yours and it drives traffic to your site. So Google is like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy, relevant websites linking back to yours. Okay. So not all backlinks are created equal, just like how not all keywords are created equal. You will get a lot more power having other home services and other companies that are related to you linking to you rather than non-relevant and non-trustworthy backlinks. Okay. So you guys have 581 backlinks coming from 52 different domains. Your top competitor here has 1,500 backlinks. So 1,500 backlinks from 484 domains, 1,500 versus 581. So they have a lot more backlinks and a lot more domains and a lot more traffic. And that is why. Okay, so same thing. If these backlinks are good enough to get them this much 1,400 traffic per month, they're good enough to get you guys the same amount of traffic. You just have to go through these and get the same backlinks and make sure that you're adding yourself to trustworthy and relevant ones. So like this one, 32 best Denver HVAC companies. You can add yourself and get listed in here, and that would be considered a backlink. Okay. So the last thing I want to talk to you guys about is how to get into the map pack right here. So you want to choose this top guy, Golden West Plumbing. And the way that they have gotten into here is by a lot of reviews as well as a lot of citations. So citations are the most important thing here. You want to have more citations than this top person. So a citation is anywhere that you can list your name, address, and phone number in a directory and your business information. That is considered a citation. So if they have 200 citations, you need to get yourself at least 250 or 300. Add yourself to all the same ones they have and more. Okay, so if you can do those three things as a quick recap, add more content to your website, specifically your homepage, get at least 1,500 to 2,000 keyword words on your homepage, and you want to get more buyer intent keywords riddled through your entire website so that Google flags you and pulls you up more often than other people. Okay, the next thing is you want to get more relevant and trustworthy backlinks than your top competitor here. And you also want to get more citations than your top competitor here. And if you can do those things, you'll be well on your way to getting yourself here on this #1 page. Okay, so if you guys have any feedback, I would love to hear it. Any questions, concerns, or would like to chat with me about how you can get this done, I'm more than open to that. If you guys take this information and run with it yourself, that is also okay with me. I just hope you found this valuable, and I will let you go. Thank you guys so much. Bye-bye.